If you are looking for the ultimate analog field driving experience, we have the car for you. This is a 1970 Camaro with a 383 stroker, a Weiand supercharger, a Holley carburetor, and a 5-speed transmission. This is a driver's car. It's been set up for kind of street and strip duty, and we'll go over some of the features that make it that. So let's just pop the hood, because this is kind of where the magic happens in this car. You have a built 383 stroker, Weiand supercharger, Holley carburetor, electric water pump, no frills on this car. So you have manual disc brakes, manual steering, and some of the suspension upgrades on this have been relegated to the rear to make this car hook up. This engine is connected to a Tremec TKO 500 transmission. It goes to a 12-bolt rear end with drum brakes. That's attached to rear leaf springs from Caltracs with their Caltracs traction bars and shocks. You see the exterior is a beautiful red paint job with white stripes. It's got a cowl hood. That's a fiberglass cowl hood. And then in the interior, it's same thing. It's a mix of race car and street car. So let's jump in there and look at that. Okay, so from behind the driver's seat, you really get the feel for this car. There's no frills, but there's also nothing missing. Odometer gauges to monitor your engine, oil pressure, water temperature, volts. You have a boost gauge to see what that supercharger is doing. And then of course your tach here. The 5-speed transmission has a nice fire-safe boot on it. It has a line lock for those big smoky burnouts. Everything else is pretty much OEM. Nice finished headliner, finished rear seat compartment, carpet, console, all the normal stuff you would find in a Camaro. And then you can see the fan switch. So this has an electric fan on a switch. That way you can keep this thing nice and cool. 3-point seat belts hold you in the buckets. That's the interior of this Camaro. Everything you need, nothing you don't. If you're looking to get a hot rod of your own and this 70 Camaro checks all the boxes for you, make sure you get in on the bidding at buythecar.com.